So I was sitting there making some slugs for some customers. Shout out to JB Jackson and Weston Smith. When I spotted these here, call it invaders, sitting on a fence post about 50 yards. Decided to take a shot on them with the 17 grain hollows. That one made it about 20 yards. And another one posted up about 55 yards. This sucker right here looked like he done been shot in the chest before, and done lived to tell about it. Out of respect, we just gonna let this tough sumbitch go about his way. So the next day at the dairy farm, we testing a new slug out.
Alright, first one down from the wires. Passed right through.
This is 18 grain hollow, which is a bit longer than the 17s that I make, which should increase the accuracy range by 10 or 20 yards or so. Oh, this collared dove gonna have to take a Texas hot and long shot. Even the cow couldn't bear to watch that one. And another one, 45 calibers of hot expanded lead, delivered Texas style. That's gotta hurt worse than an enema. I'm shooting these 18 grain slugs at 900 feet per second. At that setting, we're getting 24 shots per fill from the crawl, MPO3. Texas hot and long damage right there. We got some collared doves across the roof line at about 55 yards. The wind is kicking up pretty good. Quit moving all around. You're leaving a blood trail on the roof line, son. This good little dude trying to block for his big brother. This here collared dove at 75 yards is trying to blend in with these protected mourning doves. How'd that work out for you? Alright, fun day out at the dairy with the crawl, testing these new 18 grain, 22 hollows. Seemed like I could shoot these 18s a bit farther than my 17s, which is good for outdoor shooting. Get a little bit more range. OneLeaf is working like a charm. Yep, that's how we do. Hit me up if you want to get your hands on some of these slugs. So far they's been selling like hotcakes.